Okay, now we need to differentiate with respect to t. So differentiate with respect to the t because the variable is t. Now you need to remember one thing. If it's like 1 over half, it's exactly same as square root. Yeah? So if they are square root, clear the square root because in one question there was a square root. If there is that one, just put half. Yeah? And I'll show you how we differentiate. Okay, so that will become a dy over dt. And here I have to do d over dt of everything. Yeah, you have to do that, but I'm just going to break it down into steps. 8t squared minus 5t half plus a t. The next step I do with everything, d over dt of 8t squared minus d over dt of 5t half plus d over dt of t. Now, you know this thing, it becomes a dt over dt. A quantity over rule number 1 or 2, that will be a 1. That one turns into 1, so I can just write straight into 1. Because the top is dt and the bottom is this. That one will become, 8 comes out, the 8 comes out, and you need to do here 5 comes out, and you need to do and the plus 1 there. Okay, now the 8 is already there. How do we do this one? 2 comes out, isn't it? The 2 comes out. Reduce the power of t by 1. Now the next bit. Minus 5 is already there. Half comes out. Which half? This half. This 1 over 2. The power comes out. Whatever the power, it comes out. Dot. The half comes out. And reduce the power of t by 1. So 1 over 2 minus 1. And do not forget this one which was here. So now if you can help me with multiplication. 8 times 2 is how much?
16.
And 2 minus 1 is? 1. We can write it like 8 like this, or we can just write 16t. Yeah, same thing. Because 1 we don't put. Okay, now minus 5 times half is how much?
Minus 2.5.
You can write minus 2.5 or you can write minus 5 over 2. But I will go with minus 2.5. Yeah? This is 2.5. Yeah? That's okay. What happened to that one? T to the half minus 1 becomes how much?
Minus half.
Minus half. That becomes a minus half. And plus 1 as it is. Yeah? Okay, one thing you need to remember is this. You can write it like this. Or I'm fine with that, you know. Or you can do one extra step. You're not going to get extra marks for this extra step, but it just, if you want to do, I'm going to do that one here. 16t as it is, minus 2.5 as it is, divided by, because it's negative, you can bring it down and make it positive. It will become positive half. The positive half, and that's a plus 1 here. And the positive half mean actually a square root. So you can write that way, but there is no extra marks for doing that step anyway. You can stop at the step before.